Diva dolls, this is CRYSTALCHANEL and I am back with a brand new try on haul video. Guess what it's about today? You guessed it, I'm partnering with Zeelool today for another prescription glasses try on haul. So if you want to see what it is that I picked up, stay tuned. Okay, so let's just jump right in. So these glasses are called Shimmery, and the reason I like these glasses is because they are filled with a lot of character. So it reminds me of like a Game Boy. I don't know why, but this is like a frame that reminds me of a gamer. So I love how it's playing with the colors as far as having red on one end of your ear and having black on the other end. I think it gives a lot of character. They even have this style in different colors, but this particular one in this blue, I think it's different. It's definitely going to start a conversation. And again, I don't know why, but it definitely reminds me of like a Playboy or some kind of gaming system or something like that. So really cute. I think both men and women can enjoy it, and they are really fun to wear. Now this pair really caught my eye. I think that they are so different. So I do love cat eyes, as you can see here, and they're primarily black, but they have that fun detail cut out in the front. Can you see that little cutout towards the bottom? Plus it is also pink, so you can't go wrong with that. There's also a purple pair online, but I'm gonna put the links to all these glasses down below. I just wanted to really show you the details of these glasses because again, they're pink on the inside, black on the outside. They have that cute little cutout on the bottom, and I just think they are so girly and so adorable. Okay, now these again are really cute. I'm trying to show you guys, you can wear glasses with big lashes or you can wear them without big lashes. Now these glasses are the Calhoun's, and these ones come in like a green emerald jade kind of color, and I'm not wearing any lashes here, so you can kind of get the feel of what it will look like both with lashes and without. But these glasses are so different with the print, definitely stand out. I like the circle shape, gives me a lot of you know, reader vibes, like I'm a librarian or something, but really cute. These glasses are really cute, even though they're a bold glasses. I wanted to show that you don't have to be dressed up all the time. You don't have to wear lashes. You can let your glasses speak for yourself. So some people were commenting that, you know, if the glasses are big and bold, do you think, you know, I can wear them every day? Absolutely, you can wear them every day. These are the glasses that I think are really cute because of the colors. It has like browns, it has blues. I just really think they're adorable. These particular glasses are called the Brandons, and they come in different colors. I want to say I did these before in another video. So again, this is like my, I don't know how many times I shot with Zeelool, but I have other videos trying on glasses as well. I'm going to put those links down below, but let's go ahead and move on to these. Now, y'all, these are called the Ceciles, and these are as low as $7 right now. Like if you're watching this video today, they're about $7. They are super cute. They come in many colors. I think they look really diva-like, and I think they're really simple to do. So if you're not sure about trying a new glasses as far as with colors, you can definitely do it by checking out the website, uploading a picture of yourself, and you can kind of see what these glasses will look like on you. These glasses are shimmery. They are in red. I wouldn't even think to buy glasses like these, but just look how pretty they are. These ones also work with really big lashes, as you can see here. So a lot of these glasses I'm showing you are eyelash approved. For all my baddies out there who like to beat their face, you can definitely still rock your makeup and lashes with your glasses on. So those were called the Trenton, and for these ones, these are really festive. I picked them up because of the holidays. I love that they're red and green. You can certainly wear these without it being the holidays, but I like the cat eye shape. I think it's really feminine, and I think it's really attractive for wider faces. So these ones are a little tough when wearing my really long eyelashes, but I just wanted you to see what they looked like. And these ones are called the Claudette. Again, I'm going to put all the coupon codes that I can find down below, and also the direct links, so you guys can go ahead and shop any of these looks that you like. Okay, dolls, so that is it. Again, I appreciate Zeelool for all of their fun and cute and very different styles. Their styles are very selective. They're super cute. I mean, if you wanted like a pair that's going to create conversation or just be different than anything you've seen out there, then I think the website will have it. Their website is easy to use. The shipping can take some time, especially because of COVID, and also because I believe this company is across seas. Just think about that when you're ordering. But again, my prescription comes in the way it's supposed to. I think the glasses are well made. I've had glasses now from them that lasted well over 2 years, so they're durable, and I definitely think they're affordable, and I recommend it. I'm gonna put the links to everything I picked up today, as well as a coupon code, because you know I gotta hook my diva dolls up. If you've personally shopped Zeelool before, leave a comment. Let the other diva dolls know how your experience was, because again, this channel is a resource. I want y'all to be able to come here and shop with confidence, y'all. I want to make sure I'm hooking y'all up. Now, if you don't follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, be sure that you do that. And my name is @ChryssyTheDoll. Be sure that you are subscribed to this channel, as well as my fitness and my vlog channels. I want to say Happy New Year's. I know it is a new month. It is a new year. I am super excited for everyone's progress. If you got through 2020, just give yourselves a pat on the back. Clap it up, honey. Just give thanks to the Lord, because y'all, that was take a moment and just say thank y'all for being here. You could have been anywhere after all this craziness that's going on. I just want to say thank you. Please still social distance. COVID is very, very real, y'all. Like, oh my God, it's so real. But yes, I just want to say Happy New Year. I wish you nothing but positivity and prosperous blessings. And yeah, I hope you stay fabulous and stay fierce.